Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about how to get a donation button in PLS Tornit, and it will be an easy tutorial for you guys. So without any further ado, let's get started. So here you can see we are already in our Roblox platform. So this is really amazing to get the Roblox account. So once you are in here, you will get the couple of options in the top toolbar that's called create. You just need to go over here. Once you come over here, then it will redirect you to the creator hub. So from that place, you just need to go to the creations to create and process. So here you just need to select your experience. You can create experience also. So I have the existing one, or let's create another one. Just click and open Roblox Studio. You can create the experience for your users. So I will go with this free version, so I will go with this existing one, and I will just click over that place. Once I click over here, it will take a couple of minutes and it will open here. After completing all the things, you just need to scroll down and find it on the passes options. You just need to go over here, and from that place you just need to create your passes. So I already created a couple of passes here. You can disable regional price also. You just, if you want to create a new one, you just need to click over here, and here you just need to give a name that will be donate or something else related to donate, and then you can give an description. So you can change the image also. Once you're done, you just need to click on create pass. Once you click over here, it already been created. Now you just need to again go over here. Once I go over here, then you just need to go to the sales, and here you just need to provide your Robux. So here I will enable this one, and then I will provide the Robux, and just click on save changes. Once it's done, now you just need to come over here to the Robux again, and once you come over here, let's click to the Robux, and here you can search it, place donate here in experience. You will get a couple of server over here. So in this way you can use this one for your users. Now if you come back there again, and here you will get to see the link. You can share it to your friend, your colleague, whatever you want. You can get to donate from that people. So this is the easiest way. I hope you understand how easy the process was. If you think this video was helpful for you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel, and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I'll catch you in the next video with an interesting topic again.